I'm going to show what lawnmowers I currently still have as we're getting closer to the end of the year here. And this is the Toro XP, which I haven't showed in a while. I got this in June of 2013 as a moving sale. It's got a 7.75 horsepower overhead valve Briggs Stratton engine. Powerhouse, 175 cc, 21-inch cut. Rear bag mulch and or side discharge, which I got the side discharge and all the paperwork for this. This mower was in really filthy shape when I first got it, but after I cleaned it up, it looked really great. High rear wheels, rear wheel self-propelled, and of course it's got the 1, 2, 3, 4 selector here for the self-propelled. It's actually not fast enough for me compared to the Toro personal pace and or the snapper I have. Got a wash port. It's got a single lever to adjust all 4 wheels up or down, which is pretty nice. This bag is almost in new condition. And it's got a mulching blade underneath. This underneath was pretty filthy when I first got it. So sharpened the blade and changed the oil, and this has been in really good shape. But I've only used it once this year, so it might be something that I may sell. But it sure looks nice. You don't see these overhead valve Briggs Stratton engines anymore in our local home stores. So let's give this a start here. And you really like getting a used lawnmower that comes with all the paperwork here, which has an engine manual, operator's manual for the lawnmower, even how they put it together, and a side discharge that's never been used. Alright, we're going to give it its start here. It's not a lot of gas in here. This was started around April of this year. And what I found with overhead valve engines, if they sit for some period of time, they could blow some smoke when you first start them. So let's give the XP a try.